Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at the Dow Jones 30. You can see that we have rallied again during the day on Monday. Probably not a huge surprise. That seems to be kind of what we started to see on Friday. I suggested that perhaps we could continue going higher if we break above this Wednesday candlestick. That's exactly what happened. So the question now is, can we break this all-time high at about 37,000? We could. I definitely think we'll attempt it in January. At this point, you have to drill down to short-term charts and find some area to find some value in if you want to get involved. 36,300 is possible. 36,350 is possible. If you can keep your position size reasonable, even now is reasonable. 36,000 at this point, I think, is probably your short-term floor in the market. Doesn't mean we can't break down below it, and it doesn't mean that the trend's over if we do. But here on the 4-hour chart, you can see we're just now reaching the overextended. Daily, we definitely are. 1 hour, we are as well. So I do think more likely than not, we'll see a little bit of a pullback. That pullback this time of year is almost certain to get bought into. Still think... I still think the high is over here and just a touch under 37,000 is the goal. So I assume that we'll eventually get there. Remember the Santa Claus rally. However, Federal Reserve on Wednesday, ECB, BOE, SNB, all of those central banks are on Thursday. So Wednesday, the Fed certainly will have an effect on this. Those other banks will have a smaller effect on the Dow Jones 30, but they do have global noise making ability, and that can have people looking to sell risk appetite or sometimes buy it. So we'll have to see how that plays out.